Power BI, using buttons to navigate between pages. Once you've created a dashboard in Power BI, if you've got lots of pages, you may want to add buttons to easily navigate between pages. To do this, select the workspace, select the Insert ribbon, and select the type of button you want. When you select the button, it's placed in the top left of the workspace. Select and drag the button to a more suitable location. Then, in the Format Button menu, toggle on Action. Select the type of action you want associated with your button. In this case, we're selecting Page Navigation and then selecting the page we want the button to go to. When we're ready, we can select Save and then Publish or Republish our dashboard. In the web version of Power BI, you can now test your button works. As well as adding an action, there are a range of other format options, including adding a title. After each change, you'll need to save and republish to see your changes and test your buttons. Buttons can be used for a number of different actions, including to jump to visualizations which have been bookmarked and URLs.